Welcome to Zen Wheels, the place where machines come alive. Let's get into today's showdown. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 has arrived, and it's redefining what American performance means on a global scale. Building on the C8 platform, the ZR1 takes everything great about the Z06 and pushes it into an entirely new league. It's aggressive, unapologetically bold, and engineered with one goal in mind: ultimate speed and domination, whether on the road or the track. With an even wider stance, active aerodynamics, and a more sculpted carbon fiber body, the ZR1 looks like it's doing 200 miles per hour standing still. At the heart of the ZR1 is an all-new twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, officially named the LT7. This powerhouse delivers a jaw-dropping 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 828 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production Corvette ever built. With twin turbos providing relentless boost and brutal torque, the ZR1 rockets from 0 to 60 in just around 2.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 215 miles per hour. This is not just supercar territory, this is hypercar performance wrapped in a Corvette badge. Performance doesn't end with straight-line speed. The ZR1 features adaptive magnetic ride control, massive carbon ceramic brakes, and an advanced traction system that makes it just as confident through corners as it is in a straight line. The rear wing is both functional and beautiful, providing serious downforce without compromising the Corvette's low-slung, dramatic look. The whole chassis has been stiffened, and weight-saving measures are everywhere, from the forged wheels to the optional carbon roof. Inside, the ZR1 remains driver-focused, wrapping you in luxury and performance tech. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather fill the cockpit, while the digital display and performance data recorder keep you connected to every aspect of the drive. The flat-bottom steering wheel, sports bucket seats, and fighter jet-inspired cockpit layout remind you constantly that this is no ordinary Corvette. The 2025 ZR1 is not just about numbers, it's a statement from Chevrolet that they're still in the game, pushing boundaries, and challenging European dominance. It's designed for hardcore enthusiasts who want a street-legal machine with hypercar-level performance at a fraction of the price. Expected to be priced around $150,000, the ZR1 undercuts many of its rivals while offering performance that could easily embarrass cars twice its cost. With its aggressive looks, advanced tech, and unrelenting power, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 is the pinnacle of American engineering and a celebration of everything that makes the Corvette name legendary. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the brand, this is one car that demands attention, and delivers on every promise.